We're going to look at converting sums to products. This is on page 123 in the Delta textbook. This example here has sine of 4x equals the sine of 2x, and it wants solutions in the range from 0 to pi. When you do this one here, you do the same as what you've done previously. You make it equal to 0. So move the sine x to the left by minusing sine 2x from both sides, and you'll end up with this. At this point, you say to yourself, well, this is a sum. Well, it's a difference, but same thing as sum. You can't solve it like this. You need to factorize it, but it's not in factorized form. So what you do is you look in your formula sheet, and you notice that there is sums to products. So if you want to change sums to products, this is the way to do it. Okay, it uses this formula. This is the sine minus the sine, as we've got here, and we just put them in here. So that should give you 2 cos, and if you add them together, you get 6 divided by 2, that gives you 3x, and if you subtract them, then you're going to get 2x divided by 2, which gives you 2x, which gives you this product here. Now that you have a product, you know that there's a times in here, and there's a times in here, so it's fully factorized, and so therefore you know that cos of x is going to equal, cos of 3x equals 0, or the sine of x equal to 0. And then what you're going to do is you're going to solve for each, and then put your solutions together, and they're on page 123. Let's look at example 2. You've got cos of 3x minus cos of x. There's no rearranging needing to be done because it's already equal to 0, and you just use your sums to products on your formula sheet. This is the formula that you would use. You've got a cos minus a cos like you've got here, and then it gives you negative 2 sine, add them together, divide by 2, sine, subtract them, and divide by 2, which will give you this result. This is now fully factorized, and so it's negative 2 times by the sine of 2x times by the sine of x. You need to make the factors equal to 0. So if you take sine of x, sine of 2x equals 0, or sine of x equal to 0. What you do then is you solve for each, and then you put their solutions together, and that's on page 123.